Toys Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. The right side blinker is blinking really fast compared to the left. So I'm going to be turning on the ignition 2 clicks. So I'm going to be turning on the left turn signal. You see how that is blinking normally? Turn it to the right. You see how the thing is blinking really quick? That means one of the bulbs on the right side, either the right front or the right rear, is burnt out. So right now I'm checking out the back tail light. Turn signal. It's working, but it's blinking really fast. So now we're going to be checking the front passenger side turn signal. Okay, this is the passenger side turn signal light. This is not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to be replacing the bulb. Okay, so the turn signal light bulb is in here. This is an aftermarket LED headlight that's in the way, so I'm going to remove this and put it on the side. Now I can stick my hand in here and get the bulb out. So you grab it, grab the socket and twist it counterclockwise. So we're going to be replacing this bulb. Okay, I'm going to be replacing this bulb. This is a 1157 NA bulb. This is going to be for the right front turn signal light bulb and some dielectric grease. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on some dielectric grease on the bulb. So push it in and turn it clockwise to lock it. If you want to take it out, you just push it in, turn it counterclockwise, and it comes right out. So to put it in, push it in, turn it clockwise, and then it locks in. So now we're going to install it. Okay, so I turned the ignition on. I turned the turn signal to the right. Now this passenger front turn signal bulb is working. So now the passenger rear turn signal light is blinking normally. So that's how you repair a turn signal light. If this is the first time watching my video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.